Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Queen Obi. Welcome back to my channel. If you see me looking down, just know that I have my phone up here because I have some information I want to share with you guys. So today we're going to be talking about the best languages to learn 2020. The best software languages to learn 2020. So when it comes to software, there are different kind of software, there are different kind of languages, and there are different kind of things out there. But the main popular ones, based on statistics, if you Google it, first we're looking at, it depends on if you're focusing on front end or back end. Now, for those people who don't know what front end is, so front end is like literally the basic thing that you learn in the front end, like when you type google.com, what you see, the design is what you see in, like when you see your phone, when you go on Google, what you see is actually what you call front end. So there's some tech that goes in it, but not a lot of it. But there are a whole lot of tech that goes in front end. Now, if you're like tech savvy, like you don't want to be involved in anything what people see, or you don't even want to interact with customers or whatever it is, then you definitely should be in backend now. So backend is like coding stuff that it involves a lot of codes and involve a lot of languages. Most people that do front end are called web developers. So when you're a web developer, you do like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, depending on other things. But I would say for front end, the best thing to learn is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And if you want to move forward and you want to be like up there, then you probably should learn like React or Angular. I know someone who actually knows React and Angular, so it basically depends on you. If that's what you want to do, you can just obviously just learn React and do some projects with it, and show the hiring manager that you're able to like do it, and it shouldn't be a problem if you're able to like defend your project. When it comes to backend, I would say the three best backend that people do is Python, Java, and C++. Or some people are like C. So it basically depends on you. But the best right now, the number one best language to learn right now is Python, um, which I'm also learning right now. That's the best one right now. And the number two best language is Java. So if you studied computer science in school, you will know that most schools teach their students in Java or C++. They don't really teach people in Python because it's not like Python is very difficult. Actually, it's way more easier to me than Java. But schools teach people in Java or C++. If you want to learn web development, if you like designing, if you like things that look good, um, then of course you should be in the front end, which is JavaScript. And if you want to involve both front end and back end, then I would say if you want to involve front end and back end, then you should do like JavaScript, Python. But JavaScript can go both front end and back end actually. You can use JavaScript for front end and back end, but I would say JavaScript, Java, and Python. I think so. And if you want to do like mobile development, like the apps that you see in your phone, um, then you go to Swift. So you do Swift, and you add like some Python and Swift, I think that will make like your app just dopest ish. Yeah. So I say like when you want to do like mobile development, I would say probably just learn Swift, maybe JavaScript too, but yeah. So learn Swift if you want to do mobile development. But yeah, those are the languages that I think are the best. But if you say, okay, I'm new coming in, what should I learn? What language should I learn? I've been hearing a lot of PHP too, but for languages, the best language to learn is Python, Java, and JavaScript. Those are the best languages to learn. And a lot of people, if you're not really motivated and you can't do it by yourself, maybe you should think about doing like a boot camp or something like that if you're not really like comfortable doing it yourself. But I don't think boot camps guarantee you a job, because you definitely, I think every software engineers are literally self-taught. So if you're trying to be a software engineer, you have to learn how to teach yourself, basically. Um, um, Moving on, if you want to do backend, like I said, Java, Python, and C++. So ways to communicate or connect with people if you're new in the game is obviously Meetup. If you know somebody who knows somebody that works in different companies, hit them up and tell them to give you a heads up, or tell their recruiters to, speak, tell them to speak to their recruiters, so that they can give you a chance. If you can't get a chance, do internships. There are actually some really good, nice paid internships out there. So basically, it pretty much depends on you. Yeah, there is no age that like nothing is limiting you. I've heard about stories of people who started at when they were 30. I've heard people who started in their 40s. So don't let, I guess, age or whatever it is, deter you from what you want to do. If you're obviously doing it for the money, I won't say do it for the money, but the money is great, obviously. But yeah, that's all I have to say. So, like I said, the best languages to learn are Python, JavaScript, and Java. So, hope you guys like this kind of videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then share this video. Share it to your friends, share it to your enemies, share it to your family, share it so that people can get the knowledge that I'm spreading. Okay? I'll see you guys next time, and have a good day. Bye bye.